أعزائي المشاهدين، أهلا وسهلا بكم من جديد مع برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج رؤيتي. كما عودناكم في كل أسبوع نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات، قصة نجاح أتتنا من الباكستان إلى الإمارات منذ 12 عاما. Mr. Muhammad, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are so lucky to be here with you in your company, in Ras Al Khaimah Emirati team, to welcome in our program.
It's my pleasure.
Mr. Muhammad, first we would like to know about yourself. Who's Muhammad when he came to this country at the first time and what he's doing at this moment?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good afternoon. First of all, I would like to warm welcome to all of you to be here in my office today.
Yes.
And it is my great honor to discuss with you the business ideas and what is the current situation is going due to COVID-19 pandemic.
Yes.
Here in UAE by doing business here. I would like to introduce myself first. I am Muhammad Arshad and I am running my own business since 2012 here in Ras Al Khaimah. Company based in Ras Al Khaimah.
Yeah.
And company established in 2012.
Yeah.
But overall, I have postgraduate experience almost 15 years in UAE, especially around 12 years because I came here in 2008.
Yes.
I started import and export business. Almost 3 years I did that one. Then I was engaged in events company in Dubai.
MashaAllah.
And after 2 years, I started my own business with the name of Afnan Garden and Landscape Services Company. Company based in Ras Al Khaimah.
Very nice.
And we have done almost 750 projects, successful completed projects.
MashaAllah.
Our all clients are very happy with us and they are giving the feedback in our Google page. We are also engaged in government department like municipality and Federal Electricity and Water Authority. They have done almost 200 projects we have done. So with the support of the government. We are doing business here, but as you know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, the situation is totally changed.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Mr. Muhammad, let's talk about 2008, the first time you come to this country. This guy who was in Pakistan and he came to UAE in 2008 to help his cousin, his company, to starting living between more than 200 different culture, more than 200 different nationalities together.
Exactly.
In this time. 2008, the booming in UAE, after that the big crisis coming in the world. What was Muhammad doing at the first year for him in UAE?
See, it was when I came here, I was very excited. And in 2008, after 1 year, again the recession occurred.
Yes.
So the situation was totally changed from that time.
Yeah.
But when I came here, I started with my cousin's business, trading business. So on that times, everything was running smoothly. But we have faced on that times even some lot of difficulties because of the recession. But after the couple of times, the things again normalized, and then with the passage of times, we learned a lot, and then this was the reasons now we are still here.
Very nice.
After spending around 12 years, I'm still here.
Yes.
So this is the good sign, this time I'm running my own business, and it is the great opportunity on that time which I have chosen.
Mr. Muhammad, to choose working in landscape in 2012, we start running our business. But the idea from where? You said to me before the interview, I love the garden. Let's talk about this eco friendly, this guy who love this green community? Why you love, or how you love it?
Well, actually, I would love to garden because this is my passion. So, in our countries, in Pakistan, this is the green countries and it's a natural environment.
Yes.
So, when I started my own business here, I was thinking that I can make same like we are having in our countries.
Yeah.
So, having said that, I would love to gardens, and this country, it's like a desert.
Yes.
So we would be interested to make it in a green to cover the sand. And this is, as you know, this country is a tourist country.
Yes.
So the lot of tourists are coming here every years, and we have to facilitate, like we are working,
Yes.
as I told you, with Public Works and Services Department. We are developing like public beaches, parks, and some residential landscape. So that was the reasons I planned myself to, I have to go in the landscape business, and this business is good this time.
Afnan, it's a name, we can say we take it from Al-Quran. Afnan is the name
Yeah.
we care about it. Why you choose Afnan name?
Well, Afnan, if in Quran, Surah Yasin, you
Yes.
can see Zawat Afnan.
Yes.
Afnan basically it means the branches,
Sure.
The branches means like there is, if you can, I can give you the example. There is one tree, he has 15, 20 branches. It means he's going to spread.
Yes.
Even then, there was a lot of 3-4 more options which I got on that times. It's Arabic name, by the way, and 5 names. There was Lulu, Mashriq, Afnan, Zuhur.
Yes.
These names belongs to the landscape,
Yes.
So that's why when I went
the
to the economic department, there was only one name was left, which is with the name of Afnan.
Yeah.
So that was the reasons I decided Afnan Garden.
Afnan family, which have more than 10 employees now. How did you choose your employees and how you keep the relation with them strong, Mr. Muhammad?
Actually, the employees we hired on that time, it depends on the project's value. So I hired almost 10 guys. They are working in designing, execution, and maintenance department, and they are performing very well. So it's good for me, like we are generating the opportunity for them, and they are putting their all efforts on the business.
Let's talk about landscape in UAE. Let's talk about the garden in the desert country, in hot country, that we have to care about it. The people, they don't have a knowledge fair enough to take care of their garden. So always we care about after sale services more than the sales. We can fix our garden, we can make our land ready, but the one who always have to provide or support, he need a knowledge from your side, how you finish or you solve after sale services in your parts.
Well, the garden, after completing the project, it is very important to maintain, especially in UAE
Sure.
culture, UAE weather.
You
It's
cannot
very
forget
important.
it one day. Yeah.
Yeah, even we cannot live in one day.
Yeah.
And the one of the big example I can give this time, due to COVID-19 pandemic, there was special instruction by the government of the UAE. Only we can deploy 30% of the labor on the maintenance department or execution, whatever. So the 30% our staff was going, but he was unable to maintain the garden,
Yeah.
because garden needs every day to check proper irrigation
Sure.
system. He has to maintain the gardens with chemical treatment,
Yes.
organic fertilizers he has to put on times, then he has to maintain all the plants and the trees.
Yes.
So, and the main thing is, if there is lack of water,
Yeah.
irrigation is not working properly.
Sure.
So then there is no water in the garden, and now the temperature is around 42 in these days.
Yeah.
So within 2 or 3 days maximum, the garden will be dry.
Yeah.
We have no any option. Either we have to replace all the items, which is very costly.
Sure.
So the maintenance is very important, after execution.
Yes.
You can see, like as I told you earlier, we were deploying 30% of the laborers, and the laborers was not performing very well,
Yeah.
and the situation was totally different. There was no outcome. We were facing a lot of complaints by the clients. Garden is not look like greens, and this is the time we have to sit outside. So we cannot do anything, So due to COVID-19 pandemic, it was affected. So maintenance is very important part.
Let's talk about the weather. Let's talk about the kind of grass that we need and the plants we have. We can find it, all of them in UAE, or we import from out of this country.
Well, there is two types of grass. Normally, if we will talk about artificial grass and natural grass. Natural grass, normally it has two types. One is paspalums and the other one is Bermuda American carpet grass. It calls here in UAE. There is the local production. The second one is artificial grass. Artificial grass, there is no production in UAE. In the local market, there is no production. Normally, we are importing from Italy, we are importing from UK, we are importing from KSA, we are importing from China.
Yeah.
So these type of grass, it depends on the client requirement.
Yes.
Either he has to go with the natural grass or he has to go with artificial. So natural grass, that is the good signs. Even it will give you nutrients, it's natural environment. And the artificial grass, that is the heat season, it will affect.
And I found many equipments you have also.
Yeah.
These things also, you are the one who supply it, or you take it from someone in UAE supplier?
Yeah, these items normally, we are retailer as well as wholesaler.
Yeah.
Most of the items we are importing from Malaysia,
Yeah.
China, and we are selling in local market, in a retail market.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Mr. Muhammad, in the business always there is a challenger. So the challenge is very big in UAE. How you can be special. When I talk about the company that's complete now 8 years and still with this situation, and after Corona situation, they are still working and they have a strength and health. It's mean you have a technique, you have an idea, you have a special thing that the people trust you. What the difference between you and your challengers?
Well, when I started my own business, after putting the efforts almost 1 year, it was running smoothly. Everything was perfect, and due to COVID-19 pandemic, suddenly it has negatively affected in the business life. So, in order to prevent its spread, then there was quarantine practices we have done, and then there is halt for production, there is travel ban, and there is national emergency resolution. So these are the challenges which I faced when COVID-19 happened. And then we have some projects, ongoing projects, which client has awarded in 2019, which needs to be complete in mid of 2020, as we are in mid of 2020. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are keeping hold our projects, and we have immigration problems. We need manpower. We have issued visa already, but they are willing to come. Due to immigration closed and travel ban, they are unable to come here. and we have working capital management issue. This is the big challenge we are facing now at the moment.
Sure.
Working capital challenge in terms of we have received the checks by the sundry debtors, which has been already credited in our accounts, but now the second payments, which is held by the sundry debtors, and we have given already after procurement of materials to our sundry creditors, we have issued post-dated checks. These post-dated checks that has been credited already in our accounts, but due to cash flow we are facing working capital management. Even apart from, we are working with the banking, like in LBD, local bill discounting, and loan against trust receipt. There is no consignment now because the country has totally stopped everything. There is no trading at the moment. So what we are facing now, the cash flow these times. So working capital management, this is the main things in the business. To run the business we need working capital management. And after that we are facing some challenges, like we have running projects now. In this running project we have to deploy only, having said that, 30% labor. So 30% labor, the project deadline period supposed to be in mid of 2020, but we are unable to complete because we are deploying 30% only labor. So this challenge also we are facing. We cannot outsource because there is a limitation by the government, and this is a very good sign by the government. We have to follow all the SOPs, like 30% we have to deploy the manpower. And this is the big challenge. Even we are stacking all the payments by the client.
Yes.
We cannot clear all the payments to our sundry creditors. They should keep all the checks hold, but they don't like to hold the payments because they have to manage their own working capital. So this is the big channel. And there's one more thing, this is the times we have to be be patient, and we have to survive only. This is the war of the survival. We cannot do anything. The things are not in our hand.
Yeah.
There is a law, and the UAE is the country. If we will not follow SOPs, and if we will not observe the rules and regulations, we cannot survive here.
For sure.
Even a single day, I'm to be honest, we cannot survive.
Yes.
So the thing is now, I'm very optimistic these times. We are following SOPs, and maybe with the passage of times, the COVID-19 government has done its good initiative. After some times, maybe the situation will be normalized.
Yes.
And all the things will be run smoothly, inshallah. I'm very optimistic, and I have to wait because UAE is a secure country. By doing business here, it's a very secure country, and I'm here since 12 years. I believe I have done the good, and I return the good. So far we have no any issue. I'm very happy. I have to wait. I want to stay here more. I want to establish my business.
Yes.
And this is the business. We should not generate the revenue all the time.
Mr. Muhammad, when I talk about the businessman and timing important, how you can manage your time between your personal life and your business life?
Well, this is the good question. There is, even in landscape, there is no timing even.
Sure.
Sometimes client needs to meet
The middle of night.
mid of night. We have to go. We have to provide all the samples and requirements. And only we can say almost 8 to 10 hours if we are giving with full commitment and integrity in our business.
Yes.
The rest of the times we can spend with our families, and there is the Friday we can enjoy. That time we can give to the family.
Behind every businessman,
Yeah.
there is a woman, right? What you would say
Exactly.
for this woman opposite the camera, your wife?
I would like to give the time to my family because family is very important for me, and we are here together since 5 years.
She support you.
Yeah, she's supporting me in all aspects, like the problem which I am facing. She's supporting me in financially, she's supporting me in morally,
Sure.
and she's supporting me in every aspect of my life which I'm facing the problems on that times. So the family is the most important for me, and for even it should be for everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Muhammad, what is your biggest project in UAE?
Well, we have done recently, we have completed successfully one landscape projects in Fujairah municipality.
Yes.
There was the name was Al Kitfa Beach Development Project. It was a soft and hard landscape. Total area was around more than 10 or 11,000. This project we have done and we have successfully completed. They are very happy with us, the services and even all these things. And right now we are doing this big project. It's around 27,000 square meter. This is the Intercontinental Hotel behind of the Mina Al Arab Ras Al Khaimah. Total scope of work, irrigation system, softscape. Alhamdulillah, we are in between now.
Alhamdulillah.
Irrigation has been done, tested, and commissioning has been done successfully. And this is the part, but this project is also going to delay because of COVID-19.
Yes.
They are going to postpone for 1 year maybe, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So to 27,000 square meter, this is the huge area.
Yeah.
And the irrigation, it's not like simple irrigation like a UPVC pipes and poly pipes. It's a HDPE pipes. HDPE pipes, which is very
We
good
start
quality.
choosing something for polypropylene, or we are choosing normal plastic now?
No, we are not using PP pipe.
Yeah.
We are using hard pipe. It's a HDPE pipes, name of the pipes. Yeah, that one we are using now. And it's a big project, alhamdulillah. We are nearly going to close if the things will be normalized.
Sure.
And we are very optimistic in this regard.
Inshallah, you will finish it
Yeah.
soon. Mr. Muhammad, when I talk about UAE, I talk about the country which starts from Sheikh Zayed age, the one who started the first step in this country. Nobody in Pakistan don't know Sheikh Zayed. Nobody in the world don't know Sheikh Zayed. The one who have a vision, the one who was respect the human in general. So we're talking about the son of Zayed, make UAE number one in the world, peace and safe. We cannot find any place that we can leave our car open and sleep. Only in UAE. We cannot leave our door open, only in UAE. Because the leader of UAE is make it safe always between more than 200 different culture, and the respect between all of these people. What we have to say for UAE leaders and government, Mr. Muhammad?
Well, first of all our best wishes with Sheikh Muhammad and the government, all government department
Yes.
here. And this is the very good signs, before UAE, it was like, in the stage of development. So after spending some time, what I did notice, it was very good. Government has done very good work, and our best wishes with the government of the UAE in terms of every development. We are going to facilitate all these things, if required in terms of landscaping.
Mr. Muhammad, from our side, we will say to you, thank you very much for spending your time with us. Emirati team or my Vision team say to you again, welcome in our program. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And at the end, I would like to say this is the very good times. We have to appreciate the government of the UAE, and we have to salute to the all paramedic staff, nurses, doctors, and all volunteers as well. From our side, we are ready to support to the government being a voluntarily, and these times we are very happy because it seems day by day the cases are going to decrease and the number of recoveries are going to increase. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, it's very good sign. So I'm very optimistic, and I would like to thanks to all who came here and for the interview and to get some ideas and how we can generate the business in next couple of years.
Yes.
Thank you so much from our side.
And from our side, we will say thank you very much and so much to spending your time with us. And we hope to find your name in all the world, not only in Egypt.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
الواف الكرام من أصال الشعب الواف الكرام
دارنا دار المحبة
والسلام
على خدها ويدم
الإمارات أحلى غنوة بغزمان يا سلام